Okay, today is December 29th, 2024, and here is a 2003 Lennox unit that, as you can see, looks like it's been moved since I've last filmed it. Not really sure what happened to it exactly, but yeah, it's been moved. It was like right here, but I think something might have hit it. I don't know if it was a car or what, but yeah. And as you can see, the line set's pretty kinked too. It's a 510 from 2003. Has a couple-inch roll compressor. But yeah, the line set is really damaged and kinked, which I'm sure must be really good for the unit. Oh, and ooh, I didn't even notice this before. Yeah, it looks like a car might have hit the door here. So yeah, maybe this did get hit by a car actually. But yeah, this is at a commercial place in my town that I filmed at before with all these units. But yeah, just so I get one more video of this unit before it probably gets replaced next time I'm at this complex. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.